Welcome to the brand new update from 24 Trains TV. Here are the latest updates on railways and trams. And of course, we will also show you all the newly released videos on 24 Trains TV. Well, at least a sneak peek. Want to watch them all in full? Then become a subscriber for just $4.99 per month, or try it out for free for 7 days. We're bringing you the 58th 24 Trains TV report with all the railway news from this summer. This way you'll be completely up to date with all the latest developments, both in the Netherlands and abroad. Mechlin is undoubtedly one of the most well-known model railway manufacturers in the world. And even back in 1963, the brand was already famous and highly sought after. It's no coincidence then that this is the title of this beautiful film from the Mechlin archives. The production of models is quite different from how it used to be, but the quality has remained the same. In France, we find our train of the week, the X2000 800. This classic French train set formed the backbone of the French local railways for many years. 2 units from this series, which travel along the highest railway line in France, spectacular Translocarians, are a familiar sight to many. You can almost smell the lavender coming off your screen, while the beautiful engine sounds of the diesel cut through the silence of the French countryside. In Italy, steam locomotives still occasionally run on the main line. One such example is the 940-41, a classic Italian tank locomotive. Although this type was mainly used on the local railways in the Apennines, these locomotives also perform well on flat railways. They truly come into their own. Back to the past with Back to the Past. Every first weekend of September, the Volusia Steam Train Company hosts its festival weekend. With special footage from the NVBS archive, we look back at the very first time this festival was held. Want to enjoy even more of our huge collection of videos? Of course you can do that as a subscriber. Visit our 24 Trains TV website to see all the options, or become a trial subscriber and try it free for 7 days.